You want to speed run?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get where all of the key codes in level 11 are if you're either stupid or haven't played level 11 yet. So first you're going to go here, obviously. So then assuming that everyone's here, you'd want to get the one in the vent first. To get that you want to go. You want to go straight, turn right, then you want to go forward, no, then you want to turn right, then you want to turn left, and then you want to turn right again, and then you should find it. And then after that, you might want to come over here. This, if you like die. Then you want to get the hardest one to get, because she comes over here very often. The one that's over there. Then after you've gotten that one, if you haven't died, because you know you can jump on the walls to go and jump around her. Then you want to go over, get this one, and then you want to get this one, and then you just need one more, which should be pretty easy to get. Then after you've done that, you're gonna get that one. And then